Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of BB Essentials. Today's episode gonna be very short and simple. We'll be making a candle holder using Dollar Tree products. As you guys continue to watch this video, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. This is it, guys. Just like I promised, it was very short and simple, and it came out very nice. I am absolutely in love with these candle holders. Please let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Ciao, ciao.